Hi there, I'm Chef Bugsy and this is Get Veganized. Get Veganized is a vegan baking and cooking channel where I take your carnivorous recipes and turn them into your favorite vegan recipes. Before we get started, I'd like to remind you to subscribe, like, and comment. Tell me where you're coming from below. All right, let's get started on today's recipe. Okay, we're back on Get Veganized. This is Chef Bugsy, and today we're going to make granola bars. Homemade granola bars. All right, first ingredient is 2 mashed ripe bananas, and we put that into the saucepan. Also in the saucepan is a 1/2 cup of peanut butter. You can use your favorite nut butter. I choose peanut butter. Okay, we're going to put this onto the stove over medium heat. Stir until well incorporated. While that is cooking, we'll put the dry ingredients together. First is a cup and 1/4 of oats. I've got a 1/4 cup of coconut flakes. I've got a 1/2 cup of chopped mixed nuts, and today I'm using pecans, walnuts, and cashews. Next I have a 1/2 cup of dried craisins. And finally, I'm adding a 1/3 cup of seeds. I have chia, flax, and sunflower. Now we're going to mix this together. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to add the peanut butter and banana mixture. It's kind of warm, so be careful. And we'll mix this up. You'll have to excuse me, I'm babysitting 2 kittens, my roommate's kittens. Okay, now after this is all incorporated, we're going to push it into a pan with parchment paper on it and bake 350 for 18 to 22 minutes. Okay, into the oven it goes. And we'll be right back. Okay, here I am, back out of the oven, cooled for about 5 minutes. This is what it looks like. I'll cut it with my knife. Still quite warm. Alrighty, there you have it. Vegan granola bars. I'll try this little one over here. Coconutty, banana-y, chewy, nutty. This is really good. Thanks for watching today. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Don't forget to subscribe below, and we'll see you on the next video.
Hey, you!